This video will show you how to use the Presets feature. Step 1. Creating the camera presets. Before creating the camera presets, you need to sign in to your MVC system as an administrator. Navigate to More, Settings, enter the administrator password, and the default administrator password is SFB. Select Windows Settings. Select Administrator from the bottom left corner. Enter the administrator password, and the default administrator password is SFB, and then sign in. Run the Yealink Room Connect plugin. Tap the camera, and then select Preset. Tap Zoom in or Zoom out to adjust the focal length. Tap the arrow keys to pan or tilt the camera. Tap New Preset to create a new preset. Repeat the above operations to create more presets. Step 2. Applying the camera presets. Sign in as a Skype user. During a meeting, enter the room controls page. Select the desired preset. The camera will be set to the preset.